So now I'd like to talk about the Lang cart and the Lang vises. You know, it's a cart system that precision locates the cart to the robot for repeatable picking and placing of the vises, and the vises themselves are precision located onto the cart. You can see it's easy on, easy off, but they do precision locate with pins, which makes this a very nice system, easy to use. And then Lang also has a macro grip system that pre-stamps materials. And with that pre-stamping, it helps me to locate. There's a center line on here. I don't need end stops on the vises, so I get full access around the material for machining, specifically for 5-axis. So I'm able to easily locate the material into the vise. I can feel it being located. I snug it up, and then the customer is going to have a 25-pound torque wrench. They're going to put 25 pounds here, which gives you more than enough clamping force in order to machine that part. And this is aluminum, but we can do up to 45 Rockwell with the pre-stamping and really get some, you know, Inconels and titaniums and other harder materials and machine them and locate them without having to do dovetailing, which is a whole nother machining process. So the cart system with the vises and the macro grip is going to give you a systematic approach to save less material. And again, I'm going to show you that this material has been pre-stamped using 3 millimeters of excess material that you may or may not want to even machine off. But then it locates and it grips without needing dovetail, which is a whole nother machining operation. So more savings in material and in labor and just doing the prep and the work and locating of the materials on the cart. From there, I'm going to put the cart back into the system and we can get it up and running and show you how RoboTrex works.